Alright, we are taking out this big window. Casey is taking out the few screws that's left. Then she's going to take out the little frame. And then we're going to push the window out. So you take this window and you push it out, and when it comes out, then you'll have all this frame right here that you need to take. You need to clean. So this one is a very big window. As you can see, we've taken this out. You can see all of this old stuff on here. We need to take off all this old seal and clean all this off around here so we can put the new seal back on. Okay, seal this right here. This is from the window seal that has to come off. You have to clean it and get that off. But you use water and it comes right off. This black stuff does. You may have to use a magic eraser to get some of it off. But it's coming off pretty easy. And usually it's our first time, so it's taken about 20-25 minutes a window. Okay. As you can see, Casey's putting on this seal. It's like gluey rope type stuff, but you don't need to adjust it or anything. It's right in the corners, in the cracks. It came with the whole kit. It comes with sealant and this sticky stuff and a bottle and a putty knife, which makes it fairly much easier. So while she's doing that, I will be doing this here, scraping this stuff off out of the window. You want to get all the gook and all the nasty stuff off around it, the glue and everything off around the window, because otherwise it won't seal as properly. Then once you get your window back in, you want to put your caulking around here. It goes on white, but it dries clear. We've already got one window out and put back in. Now we're working on the second window. Okay, now that we've gotten the window back in, which we probably should have shown you all, Casey is putting the screws back in, because all the way around the window are several screws, probably say about 30. Now she's putting them back in. I had to hold it in place for her to put the first few screws in, and then once those are in, we'll put the sealant around it.